In this video, we'll go over a problem-solving strategy. It comes from lesson 5.5, but this strategy itself, the problem solving, you can use for any word problem. So go ahead, pause the video for a moment and read the unlock the problem. Also, take a look at the graphic organizer that I'm going to plug information into. So the first thing any problem solving requires is that you get down to what is it that you need to find out. What is the answer information going to be? In this case, it is in the blue. How much protein will he need to get from other sources to meet the recommended daily amount? So I'm going to be writing how much more protein will he need, because in the problem we know he's already eaten one of those super protein cereal bars. The next bit of information is what information or info from the problem will I use? You can look at what I've underlined in pink, but what information will we use to solve this problem? And as you can see, I underlined the information to use in pink and I've written it down here. The total daily amount is 50 grams. We know that this friend has eaten one bar, and that is 16% of 50. So that's the information we're going to use. We're going to be doing a number of things. How are we going to use it? Well, we're going to be doing some multiply. We're going to multiply and then subtract. Sometimes you may have to get started on the problem and then go along and fill this in. All right. So as we are now ready to solve the problem. So our first step is we want to find out how many grams are in that protein bar. How many grams are in one bar? We need to figure that out before we can figure out how much more protein he'll need. So the way we do is multiply 16 hundredths times 50, and that equals 8. All right. And then step 2 is to take this information 8 and answer the main question, which is how much more protein will he need? Subtracting 8 from 50, he will need 42 grams more of protein.